굿뉴스, 배드뉴스 뭐 먼저 들을래?
視聴者の皆様
술이요?
잘 달래서
What are you thinking about?
I was thinking that we ought to get married. Think that she knows that I'm her daddy.
Deep down.
Hello and welcome to Cine Select. Netflix wrapped up 2025 with a remarkably strong release schedule, offering one prominent film after another, spanning action, thrillers, quality dramas, and creative originals that quickly topped watch lists around the world.
Impossible crime.
This case is solvable, right?
I'm incapable of not solving it.
God forbid.
Scooby-Doo.
Makes me sick. These kids painting rocket ships all over his sacred resting place.
So if you are looking to divide the truly amazing from the algorithm-driven filler, here are the top new Netflix movies launched in the last month of 2025 that are truly worthy of your time. Number 5. The Great Flood.
우리는 여기서 전부 죽습니다.
누가 데려갔다고 생각하는 거예요?
인류를 만들어야 한답니다.
그쪽밖에 없어요.
It is a 2025 Korean thriller directed by Kim Byung-woo. The plot revolves around Guana, a researcher whose stranded in a rooftop building as an unexpected worldwide flood starts to wipe out civilization, while the enigmatic purpose suggests that her rescue could decide the future of mankind.
한번 보고 싶네요. 안나 씨 마지막에 어쩌는지.
야? 그럼 사람이 다 죽어요?
The film begins as an extreme crime survivor thriller with increasing water levels, crumbling structure, and heartbreaking family challenges, while progressively diving into adventurous areas involving science, memory, and human emotion. Although the first half of the film draws you in and features powerful performances with eye-catching visuals, the intense theoretical twist lessens the drama of the actual calamity.
어차피 알고 있잖아. 그냥 끝인 거.
내가 찾게 해줘.
안나 씨 마지막에 어쩌는지.
Number 4. रात अकेली है The Bansal Murders.
सिंपल है नहीं जितना दिख रहा है। तुम्हें लगता है जटिल?
इस पूरे हत्याकांड का
सारा कुछ डिस्कवर कर देती।
मीरा बंसल.
उनका इससे क्या कनेक्शन हो सकता है? तो बंसल परिवार में जो एक कर्मों का पिटारा उन्हीं पे फूटा।
सच वही है जो आपके सामने है.
सच
It is a 2025 crime thriller that acts as follow-up to 2020 film, returning to an era of corrupt inquiries and ethically dubious character as a veteran cop is drawn into the shocking killing of an affluent businessman from the powerful Bansal family.
I've had enough.
आरब तक मर्डर वेपन पहुंचा कैसे? मैंने कहा कैसे पहुंचा?
Revealing a web of ancestral secrets, rivalries, and centuries-old hatreds hidden behind an exterior of dignity. Remaining faithful to the initial tone, the film combines the tradition whodunit setting with incisive social critique, concentrating less on extravagant surprise and more on character suspense, and the methodical uncovering of truth with outstanding performances, supporting the noir-inspired vibe. While the story flow is uneven and the end result is gloomy, the Banded Murder stands out as nuanced crime drama that honors patience. It will appeal to fans of gritty thrillers that stress psychology over grandeur. Number 3. Good News.
세상에 확실히 영역 표시할 수 있는 좋은 기회다.
Welcome to Pyongyang.
It is a gripping 2025 Korean action thriller set in the 1970s that focuses on an undercover government tasked to quietly land an hijacked airline jet on Korean territory without informing people. The story unfolds via the overlapping viewpoints of intelligence officer, mediator, and employee rushing against time as political turmoil, moral bargains, and increasing risk threaten to stall the operation. Directed with a realistic procedural style, it concentrates little on visual appeal and mainly on anticipation, tactics, and the human consequences of crucial choices. While it reserves action and lengthy dialogue structure are slower than most Korean thrillers, Good News come out as a clever Netflix release that prioritizes realistic elements, political meddling, and calm tension above spectacle turns. Number 2. Train Dreams.
You think that she knows that I'm her daddy?
tell where one thing ends and another begins.
Few things.
It is a 2025 poetic period drama based on Dennis Johnson's critically acclaimed book. The movie centers on Robert Greer, a lone worker in the American Northwest in the beginning of the 20th century whose life is shaped by railway building, forestry camps, marriage, creep, and the frontier gradual decline. Explained in a serene, almost hypnotic manner, the story chronicles years of Robert's life, presenting fragile human relations against expensive countryside with emotion derived less from plot developments than from setting, nostalgia, and decay. Number 1. Wake Up Dead Man, a Knives Out Mystery.
What this flock of wicked wolves is hiding. Scooby-Doo. Is impossible.
3. Daniel Craig reprises his role as the witty Benoit Blanc in this movie. Reclusive case set in a very close religious neighborhood where a startling death under an unthinkable scenario draws Blanc into a labyrinth of secrets, remorse, and moral uncertainty. Unlike the dazzling extravaganza of Glass Onion, this third installment focuses on psychology, character, and vintage whodunit suspense, merging sharp conversation with topics of belief, authority, and personal truth.
Impossible.
Makes me sick. Resting place.
All while handling an oddball cast of suspects who all feel really guilty. Although some audience might find it less extravagant than earlier versions, the movie excels in its bold shift in tone, brilliant mystery structure, and Craig's still powerful performances. Overall, it is a clever expansion in the franchise that attracts those who prefer intellectual riddles over outright spectacle. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel to see more videos related to movie and series suggestion. Thank you.